Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split PDF file into multiple files. So I have this big file right here, and as you can see there are three chapters here. Now what I'm going to do is actually break them into three different files. So each chapter, so for example, chapter 1 is page 1 and 2, chapter 2 is page 2 and 4, 2, 3, 4, and then chapter 3 here is page 6 and 7. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's start with chapter 1, starting at page 1 and then ending in page 2. So the way we're going to do it is click this print button right here. And then for the pages, choose custom. And then you have to remember what pages are those. So in this case, 1 and 2. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and click the print button here. So in this case, I'm going to save this to the part where I can find it easily. So I'm going to go ahead and call this chapter 1, click save. Now we're going to go to page 2, starting at page 3 here. Chapter 2, starting at page 3 rather. So let's go here, 3, and then going to, let's say 7 for now, ending at page 5. So let's go that. All right, now click print here and then call this chapter 2. And then the last thing is going to be chapter 3 starting at page 6. So I'm going to click this, choose custom, and then page 6 to 7. There you go. Click the print button right here and then chapter 3. So now that I've done that, I can go back to my files here and find all of these three chapters broken. So I can click this, open page 1 or chapter 1, chapter 2, and then chapter 3. So yeah, that's how you're going to split PDF file into multiple files.